The day the quiet kid made the whole class lose it. Smart, nerdy, quiet kid in the front of class, you know the type. Always answers questions perfectly when called on. One day the teacher calls on him, and before he even gets a word out, the teacher just lazily says, "Correct," and turns back around to write on the board. The second the teacher's back is turned, quiet kid suddenly rockets his pencil straight into the ceiling like a dart. The teacher doesn't notice a thing. It was such a shockingly bold move from the usually silent kid that the whole class froze in disbelief. But by the time the teacher turned back around, quiet kid was already back to his usual self, cool as ice, taking notes like nothing happened. The teacher, still clueless, keeps on teaching. Meanwhile, the whole class is barely holding it together, trying so hard not to burst into laughter, all while sneaking glances at the pencil stuck in the ceiling. The tension is building, but the teacher is oblivious. A couple of giggles slip out, and the teacher, completely confused, asks, "What's so funny?" Every time the teacher asks, the situation just gets funnier. And then it happens. The teacher turns around to continue the lesson, still in the dark. Not even 2 seconds later, the whole class finally loses it, bursting into hysterical laughter. The teacher spins around to see what's going on, just as the pencil dislodges from the ceiling and lands right next to Quiet Kid's notebook. Perfect timing.